This is Science Mentor. In this lesson, you will learn how to check if a cell contains a specific text in Excel. One of the most common tasks in Excel is checking whether a cell contains a value of interest. There exist several variations of if cell contains formula in Excel depending on exactly what values you want to find. Generally, you will use the if function to do a logical test and return one value when the condition is met. The tutorial provides a number of Excel if contains formula examples that show how to return something in another column if a target cell contains a required value. To find the position of a substring in a text string, use the search function. For example, as you can see for the first cell shift 1 found at position 19. The function returns error for some cells that do not contain the word shift 1. The isNumber function returns true if a cell contains a number and false if not. I add it and you can see the result. You can also check if a cell contains a specific text without displaying the substring. Make sure to enclose the substring in double quotation marks. For example, I check shift 1. To perform a case-sensitive search, replace the search function with the find function. I use lowercase for the first letter of shift, and you can see the function can't find any result and returns false. Adding the if function, the formula returns found if a cell contains a specific text and not found if not. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.